Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you Google Ads types of Google Ads. So here I have write a guide for you, but I'm going to share you the practical end. Okay, so at first you have to click new campaign. When you click new campaign on your dashboard, then you will you will get a new interface. So here you can see, if you select any just click the cells, then here you will get we select a one default goal, then you will get search at performance max campaign, just website traffic campaign, app promotion, awareness, local store visit, and shopping, demand gen, display video. If you click only lead, then you will get search, performance, demand, display, shopping, video. If you click website promotion, then you will get search ad, performance max, demand gen, display, shopping, video. If you click app promotion, then here you can see only one type of ads. Okay, if you click awareness, then you will get totally three type of ads: display, video, and demand gen. And local, if you click local visit, then you will get only one type of ads. This ad show only map. And if you click create without campaign, then you will get all app: search, performance, demand gen, display, shopping, video, and app. So if you don't know any types of ad, just search here performance max ad campaign. Then you will get complete guideline about performance max ad campaign. So you can study. This is Google official guideline. Okay, so hopefully you understand there has different types of ad, but it is based on your objective. So if you select only local store visit, then you will get one type of ads. But if you select sales, then you will get 6 types of ads. So you can run multiple type of ads, and you can test which campaign, which ads get more conversion. So hopefully you understand in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will show next video in a new topic. Thank you so much. Hello, this is Amin, top rated Google Ad specialist. You can watch, I have a case study where I have generated 3 million sales in Google Ad. Besides, I'm also top rated Google Ad specialist on Upwork and also Fiverr. So if you want to work with me, please text me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.